So this comes straight out of the box. It's called FieryRed from Vic Off-Road. Yeah, it's considered as a cheaper winch, but I mean, I know people argue that you pay for a good one and you never get stuck. I mean, probably travel, go camping, off-roading maybe once a month, if that, and I mean, we'll go super remote or off the grid maybe once every few months. So, I mean, I think it's worth a crack. Most reviews that I've seen, people have said that these are quite sufficient. So, I mean, I like trying things like this and seeing if they work out. So I'm going to give this a whirl. It's almost about, yeah, just a bit over half the cost of one of the top name brands. Again, from Vic Off-Road. I'll put the website down the bottom somewhere. A couple of things that I was pretty happy with. Well, I was happy to buy it because of. It's got wireless and wired control. I mean, I don't know if I can, even on the best winches, people say wireless can be a bit iffy, so probably only ever use it with the cable, just so we don't have any issues. So yeah, controller, hand controller. This little device plugs into the side to the control box so you can use the remote as wireless cable, hook, probably change that later down the track. Obviously earth strap to the battery, negative strap, bolts, instruction manual. Doesn't really give you too much, pretty basic. And again, it's not a top level winch and I'm not expecting it to be, but yeah, I looked at a lot of reviews both in Australia and overseas, and I mean, particularly the Americans, they rate it as a lower end budget winch. £13,000, yes, probably a bit too overkill for my Colorado, but yeah, who cares? Means that one day I'd like to get a off-road van, we'll be able to handle fully loaded with a van fully loaded. Another thing that I liked was the clutch control. Pretty easy. I've seen other ones that turn like 90 degrees or something, and if you don't have enough clearance around it, that's easy for that one. Synthetic rope. You can move the control box. As I said, I've taken it straight out of the packet, so nothing's really moved. Comes really well packaged. Nice little what do you call it? Cradle or surround. I mean, looks to that'll do the job. I mean, again, I know that they say that it's just there for insurance. I mean, you're better off if your winch, if you don't have to use your winch, but I mean, we do a lot of traveling on our own. Well, not, sorry, let me say that again. When we do travel on our own, not often with other people, so, I mean, who knows, might come to bite me, but really, I'm just wanting to give it a try, because an old winch would be handy to use at home as well for some of the stuff that I do, cutting trees down and all this stuff, so yeah, just going to give it a whirl. Anyway, more to report as I fit it. Once again, this here is a universal winch mount. I don't even know if I'll need it, because I do remember that the factory bull bar did have a winch plate in there, so I might just need to do a bit of reinforcing. But in the end, I mean, this was only like 50 bucks, so wish me luck. See how we go.